Pew pew. Pew pew. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about family prestige and family prestige gifts on the BIGO Live app. So I'm going to give you a real big rundown on what this entails, how you get gifts, how you send gifts, how you get the points on the family prestige board. Okay, I hope you guys have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have given me thumbs up, and let's get to it. Now, the only way you get family prestige, of course, is by being in a family, or if you are a founder of a family. You cannot get family prestige if you're not in a family. It's not going to count, okay? So you can send 1,000 maces if you want to somebody, and it'll count for them, but it won't count for you if you're not in a family. Okay, so, okay, guys. So before we jump into talking about family prestige and some of the family prestige gifts, the first thing I want to do is that I want to break down the mathematics of BIGO. Because a lot of people do not understand the conversion rates when it comes to the beans and the diamonds, okay? First, we're going to talk about beans. So, first off, BIGO, right, they pay you in beans. Whenever you get a paycheck, if you are a host, you get paid in beans, okay? Now, beans can be converted. Beans and diamonds are two different things. And when somebody sends you a gift, it's sent to you as a bean. Because a bean is the digital currency of BIGO, okay? Diamonds are what you buy to put on the app. So you cannot convert a diamond, okay, into a bean. You can't do that. You have to send it out as a gift. However, you can convert beans into diamonds, app, and all of that. Now, if you don't have no money to put on the app and you are a live broadcaster, when somebody sends you a bunch of beans, you can convert those beans into diamonds in order to send to other people. So now, in order to get $1 US, you need 210 BIGO beans, okay? So that means that you have to get a lot of gifts just to get $1, okay? Let's say somebody's just sending you maces. A mace is 1 diamond, okay? When they send it to you, even though that 1 diamond, let's look at it this way. 1 diamond is $1. 1 bean is 1/4. Even though it's not really that way, the reason why I'm explaining it to you like this is because you have to understand that BIGO takes 75% of all the gifts thrown. Okay, we're going to break that down further. So if somebody sends me a mace, which to them is 1 diamond, right? To me, it's going to be 1 bean, okay? So I'm going to need 210 maces in order to get $1. You can take those 210 maces, right, that somebody sent you in beans, and you can convert that. And that will be $1. When you convert it in your wallet, you're going to see it says $1. And you take that $1 and you convert it, and you'll be able to send some diamonds out to people. Now, the conversion rates are better when you convert beans into diamonds, okay? When you add money onto the app, you're not getting as many diamonds as if you were converting your beans into diamonds. I hope that makes some type of sense to you, okay? So it's better if you're a broadcaster on the app, it's better to use your beans. You can convert them into diamonds and send them to other broadcasters. Because when you add money onto the app, number one, it does get expensive. Number two, you're not going to get the same conversion as a bean to diamond versus diamond into bean, okay? And it's better to recharge during a recharge event, okay? When you get a coupon inside of your BIGO inbox, it'll say, hey, we're having a recharge event. Recharge for this amount and you'll get this amount back in beans, okay? They won't give you diamonds, they'll give you beans. And beans are way better than diamonds, okay? Okay, so now that we know that BIGO takes 75% of all the gifts thrown, let's break down some of the gifts. Okay. Let's say a treasure. It's 100 diamonds, right? To send you a treasure. But you'll only get 25 beans out of that treasure. You're not going to get 100 beans. You'll get 25 beans. Because out of that 100 diamonds, BIGO is going to take 75%. Okay? A shield. A family shield. When somebody drops you a family shield, it's 999 diamonds. When you convert that in your wallet, you're only going to get $7.50. Okay? That is, even though they paid like $22.50 for that shield in their credit card, you're only going to get $7.50. Okay? When somebody throws you a dragon, okay? If somebody pays cash from their debit card and puts on the app $200 to throw you the dragon, you're only going to get $50 out of that dragon because BIGO took the 75%. You guys get it? Okay, I hope you guys get that. One big tip that I tell everybody. Only gift those that are supporting you, okay? Now, I tend to gift mainly the hosts. If you're a host on BIGO and you come by and you support me a lot, I'm going to go to your live and I'm going to support you because I know that you're a host on BIGO and ultimately you're here to make money. Okay? So that's a big tip. Only gift those that gift you. The next tip is to only gift the right people at the right time. So let's say you walk into your friend's live and they're having a PK. If that PK offers your friend some rebates, that is the best time to gift your friend. Okay? Let's say the PK is a 50% winner-take-all rebate. It's the best time to gift your friend and make sure that your friend wins that PK because what will happen is they'll get all those rebates back and then they'll come back and bless you with the same amount of gifts that you sent them. Okay? Another best thing is to only recharge during a recharging event. So if you get a flyer in your BIGO messages that says recharge now, we're having a recharge event, those are the best times to recharge because it's much cheaper and you get more for your money. Okay? Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope I get a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share it with your friends and I'll see you later. Bye.
Pew, pew.